Hi everyone. For this week for science, it's going to be a little different. You don't have a choice board, but this is a chance for those of us that did our science fair projects to show off all that hard work that we put into it. Um, and for those of you that didn't finish your science fair, it's okay. We have something for you to do as well. So, for those of you that did do your science fair projects, right, and you have it on your board and you're ready to rock and roll, you need to dust off that board and you are going to make a Flipgrid, okay, about your board. You're presenting your science fair project as if you would have done in school, all right? You're going to record yourself on Flipgrid. Your video should be at least 2 minutes long, okay, and it has to be done on Flipgrid. Then, after you've done that, go and watch two other videos that classmates have made, and this is going to be for everyone in the whole grade. So that'll be interesting and cool as well. But I want you to watch at least two others and leave a reply, okay? But when you leave the reply, it's got to be respectful and encouraging, okay? Now, if you're someone that didn't finish your science fair project, you have the task of choosing from this list, right? So you could choose ecosystems, water cycle, states of matter, gravity, infectious diseases, molecules and atoms, life cycles, rotations of the Earth, stars and constellations, or moon phases. Okay? You're going to make an informational video on Flipgrid that is at least 2 minutes long. All right? Be creative. You can use pictures, slideshow, models, drawings, whatever you need to teach us about your topic. Okay? Then after you have created yours, you're going to go watch at least two other people's videos and leave a reply. Again, make sure it's respectful and encouraging. Okay? And then that is it. That is all you have to do for science this week. We are very excited to look at your videos and to see what you've done. Please remember that they are due by Friday, June 5th. Good luck and have fun.